Making money online can be an ideal way to earn full-time income or make some extra money on the side. While there are a lot of different ways to make money online, some of the most common approaches, like starting a blog, involve owning and managing your own website. Some people want to have their own website, but others would prefer to make money online without the need to deal with a website. Today, I am going to show you 6 free ways to make money online for beginners with no website. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to channel. Let's get started. 1. Sell on Amazon. Amazon accounts for about 38% to 50% of all e-commerce sales in the US, depending on which statistics you're trusting. Any way you look at it, Amazon has a huge audience, and the company does not seem to be slowing down. Another interesting statistic is that more than 50% of Amazon's sales are now made by third-party sellers. That means that millions of sellers are making a lot of money by selling on Amazon. If you want to capitalize on the opportunity to make money with the world's e-commerce leader, there are a few different ways that you could sell on Amazon. Retail arbitrage. Retail arbitrage involves buying items at low prices and selling them for a profit. You'd be buying sale or clearance items at retail stores or other websites and then selling them at Amazon for a higher price. While retail arbitrage can work, Amazon has made it more challenging over the years. They've seriously tightened up restrictions for sellers in an attempt to weed out counterfeit products and other bad sellers. That means that sellers may not be able to get approval to sell in certain categories. Buy wholesale. Instead of buying items from retail stores and other websites, you could buy products at wholesale prices and resell them on Amazon. Private label. Creating a private label brand involves hiring a manufacturer to create a product and put your branding or logo on the product. The product may be identical or very similar to the products of other brands because the manufacturer is probably also creating products for other Amazon sellers. You can also customize your product a little in order to differentiate it. Read a story of one private label millionaire. Custom products. Another approach is to create your own custom products. You could still outsource the manufacturing, but you'd be using your own product design in order to make it as unique as possible. Depending on the product, you may be able to apply for a patent or trademark to help protect yourself from copycats. Pros of selling on Amazon. Big income potential. Could be a side hustle or turn into a full-time income. Potential to sell your business in the future. Piggyback on the trust and brand loyalty that Amazon has developed for millions of customers. Cons of selling on Amazon. Highly competitive. Capital needed for purchasing inventory. Amazon's policies and the sales tax laws from various states change quickly. 2. Sell on Etsy. While Amazon is the leading e-commerce platform, Etsy is the best place to buy or sell handmade goods. If you're crafty, you may want to consider starting an Etsy shop. Like Amazon, Etsy has a large, established audience of customers who stop there and typically come there first when looking for something. You can capitalize on that and make money by selling your items to Etsy's audience. Although Etsy is primarily focused on handmade items, there are some other opportunities as well. One option that you may want to consider is creating and selling printables, digital files that can be downloaded and printed by customers. Printables are extremely popular on Etsy, and there are possibilities in a lot of different niches. For example, if you like finance, you could create budgeting and money management printables. Selling printables also offers a distinct advantage of not needing to create each item you're going to sell. With handmade items, if you sell 100 items, you have to first create 100 items. You're constantly making more inventory. With printables, you'll create the item once, and then you can resell it an unlimited number of times. Pros of selling on Etsy. You can capitalize on Etsy's reputation and established audience, low fees and startup costs, sell handmade items or digital downloads. Great part-time gig with potential to go full-time. Cons of selling on Etsy. Lots of competition. Selling handmade items requires a lot of time for making your products. 3. Start a YouTube channel. If you like creating videos, starting a YouTube channel could be the perfect opportunity for you. With a YouTube channel, you could potentially make money from YouTube's advertising platform, affiliate links in your videos and descriptions, and sponsorship deals. Of course, you could start a channel on any topic that interests you, so there are a lot of possibilities. It will take some patience and a lot of effort to grow your channel, but the income potential is huge. One of the nice things about making money with YouTube is the fact that your effort will build on itself and should get easier as you go. Once you have a channel with a number of videos that are generating search traffic, there is a passive element to it as you'll be making money from your previous work. Pros and cons of starting a YouTube channel. Unlimited income potential. Potential for passive income. Could be a side hustle or turn into a full-time income. Several different ways to make money. Demand for video content is increasing all the time. Cons of starting a YouTube channel. Will require a lot of time and effort before you start to make money. Creating and producing videos can be time-consuming. May require some investment for equipment. 4. Create courses at Udemy or Skillshare. One of the most popular ways for bloggers and website owners to make money is to create and sell a course through their website. Well, you don't need your own website in order to make money as a course creator. Udemy is a popular learning platform where you can create and sell your own course, no website needed. Udemy offers courses in a huge number of categories that cover just about anything you can think of. They also have a large audience of students who already have a Udemy account and are ready to buy more courses. Skillshare is another platform for course creators, but it works differently. Instead of selling courses individually, Skillshare works on a membership model, and members get access to all courses on the platform. As a course creator, you'll be paid based on the number of students that view your course. Pros of creating courses. Use your existing skills and experience to make money. People are actively looking for the types of courses that you could create. Potential for passive income. Cons of creating courses. Although a website isn't required, selling courses is harder without your own audience. Selling on a platform at Udemy or Skillshare will mean that you have less control, as opposed to selling courses on your own website. 5. Freelance writing. There are a lot of different services that you could offer as a freelancer, and honestly, this list could include them all. But of all the freelance services that you could offer, freelance writing has a few significant benefits. First, with all of the content being published online every single day, there is a large and growing demand for quality writers to produce that content. Second, many of the clients that are hiring freelance writers have ongoing work available. That means once you land a few clients, you won't have to constantly dedicate time to finding new work. Additionally, there are opportunities to write on just about any topic that you can imagine, although popular topics like health, wellness, finance, and travel tend to have more opportunities. One of the common excuses that most people use as to why they can't work as a freelance writer is a lack of writing skills. But the truth is, you don't need to be an amazing writer in order to do well as a freelancer. Of course, you'll want to improve your skills as you go, but there are opportunities available for writers at all levels. 6. Write and sell ebooks on Amazon. Another option for writers is to create and sell ebooks on Amazon. Writing and selling ebooks is another monetization method that is popular with bloggers and website owners. But thanks to Amazon, you don't need your own site in order to make money as an author. Amazon got its start by selling books, and there are still millions of Amazon customers that actively buy books and ebooks. Selling ebooks on Amazon requires you to sell a high volume in order to make significant money, since most ebooks on Amazon are priced pretty low. Fortunately, it's possible to sell in high volumes on Amazon. While it's possible to make good money from a single book, most authors that do well on Amazon have a lot of books that they sell. While the idea is to have your old books generate passive income continually, the reality is that sales of most ebooks will slowly decline over time, so you'll need to keep working on new books. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.